Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Seek Show. Today I'm going to show you little things about Huawei Nova 3i, Huawei's latest dual camera phone. Right, so this is it. I have unboxed it already. If you haven't watched the video, please check the description section below. I have provided the link. And today I'm going to show you first impressions about this video. Still I haven't used this phone. It's about 2 days. So today we are going to talk about this device very briefly. So first of all, please subscribe for my channel and click the bell button to get the latest video about my videos, right? Okay, if you have anything to ask, please remember to comment on the comment section and like the video. And if you think this video is interesting, please share this video among with your friends, right? Okay, let's go to the video. Right, I'm going to turn the phone on. I'm pressing it for 2 seconds, the power button. Oh, nice. You can see the Huawei logo here, and also the powered by Android. Let's wait. How nice it is. You heard the noise, I think, the welcome noise. Wow. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, these are my first impressions, right? Let's see something about the device settings. Oh. Wireless and network. Share. Apps and notification. Using this apps and notification, you can individually handle the app-wise notification access and the accessibility of the apps. And the battery, power saving modes. Oh wow, it's a nice animation is there. Power saving mode, ultra power saving mode, screen resolution, battery usage. Oh my god, it's nice. Display settings. These are the display settings. I'm showing just to see you, right? And the sound settings. It's a dual. You may already know about this device because Huawei has announced about this device a couple of months ago. A fingerprint ID, face unlock, screen unlock and password, everything is there. And the users and accounts, you can see smart assistant, scheduled power off and off, my favorite feature about Huawei, from the Huawei, right? And the system information phone, you can see the EMUI 8.2.0 and the Android version 8.1. We all know that, right? And the phone storage 128 GB. It's already 112 GB is free there, 4 GB RAM. CPU is here, Silicon Green 710 chipset. It's already there, so it's pretty impressive, right? And these are the settings. Let's see the notification panel and the torch. Okay, these are the notification settings. All the settings are there. I'm showing just to see you, right? Okay, hope you have enjoyed, hope you saw something new, and I'll be back with another video which is about camera features, camera settings. And till then, please subscribe and share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.